Robbie Kraft, Chief of Sales of the Alliance. I want to thank you, Andy and Jane Albright, for investing in your corporate staff, buying us $250 Champions Club tickets to invest in our right employees that are trying to take this company to $1 billion. You know, most people don't get to do stuff like this, and sometimes we take it for granted. We are looking for the right people to come and join us in 2019.
Hey y'all, I'm Ashley Davis here with the Alliance with LPT, and I just got to fist bump a lot of hockey players in the VIP fan tunnel. And guess what? We don't like to lose. We are up 4-0 right now. So thank you so much to Andy and Jane Albright for allowing us to come here and allowing us to be a part of the Alliance.
My name is Lindsay Brown, and I haven't been to a Hurricanes game since I was 5 years old, and now I'm in the Champions box thanks to Andy Albright and the Alliance. I love the family atmosphere. I love this team. Join